Today, I'm going to show you how to use the SID01 to check and pair Promata TPMS sensors. To turn this device on, we long press the bottom button, and now it's on. In order to check a sensor, we hold the device close to the sensor and we press the bottom button once. And voila! The information is displayed like tire pressure, tire temperature, and the sensor voltage. In order to pair a sensor to the monitor, we first enter sensor pairings mode on the monitor by pressing the settings button 5 times. Then we cycle to the sensor we want to pair it to. In this case, it's the front right. Then we hold both the monitor and the SID01 close to the sensor and we press the bottom button once. And voila! It's been paired. We short press the settings button to save it, and then we can pair more sensors if we wanted to. In this case, we don't, so we long press the middle button to permanently save and exit. You can adjust the settings on the SID01 by pressing the top button once, and then you can cycle through the various settings you can change with the left and right buttons. Once you come across a setting you want to change, click the bottom button, and then you can cycle through the various options. Once you're done, press the top button to save and exit, and then you can adjust more settings if you wanted to. Once you're done with all the settings, press the top button again to go back to the main menu. And that is basically how you use the SID01 to check and pair TPMS sensors.